Hey everybody, Mary Despe here. All right, so I'm doing a brief guide for all of you because I've gotten questions on, what can I expect in learning about how we can use our job search skills and build a successful side hustle, earning $1,000 plus a month. A popular question that a lot of people ask me right out of the gate is, what do I need to get started? And frankly, it's not, a software program. It's not a particular website that you need to be on, but rather we're going to start with good old-fashioned brainstorming. So, we're going to have a series of videos here in this guide that walk you through how we approach using our job search skills, picking the ones that make the most sense to us in terms of what we want to offer as services or things that other people are going to purchase and make us money. So there's a lot of thought that goes into that, and there are certainly many different approaches that you can take. So what do I need to get started? It's pretty easy. We are going to start with your ideas. So I mentioned this a bit in previous videos, but really we're going to start thinking about all of the things that contributed to you landing your last job. So we're going to take a quick look at these different activities or different things that we found to be helpful, because this is where we will start getting an idea of the things that we can build out as our revenue streams. So here's the thing, you don't have to be an expert HR person or expert recruiter to be the only ones able to make money. If you've ever had to look for a job, you can definitely make money. So the thing is not everyone will have the same kind of activities that relate to finding a job that will show us the best ways for us to make income. So if someone is working in the capacity where they are officially in a 9-to-5 job doing some of these recruiting things, obviously that's going to be a little bit different. That someone, who has nothing to do with HR or being a person that hires in people at companies, what they can do to steadily earn income. In this course, we're going to cover all of these different ways. So I wanted to share how you can narrow down which activities make the most sense for you to focus on. Whatever angle you're coming from, everyone needs to think about the ideas that we're picking based off of these two ideas. You have to think about it from a need and a value perspective. So when we think about need, we think about, the average job seeker. What do they need to do to get a job, right? What things are they doing? So you're already brainstorming some of the things that you personally have done. This speaks to the need, because no matter what, in order to find and land a job, these kind of actions need to happen, okay? So the other half of this brainstorm is think about the value. And this really speaks to this question of, how can I help the job seeker land that job? What unique background do I have? And it's not even just like training or experience firsthand in hiring or looking at resumes. It's not even that. But maybe you have an interesting perspective from your own job search. When you went through a few things, you've developed a certain expertise, certain insight that is beneficial to someone who's similar to you. Think about the ways where you can actually, provide a helpful point of view to a job seeker. And when you have both these ideas, need and value, these questions answered, this is where it points to a really good idea of the activity that you should be choosing to monetize.